Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is English and this is your new chapter. Chapter number 22, Two Shops. This is your part 1. Okay, let's start the explanation part. In a small city of India, there was a small city in India. There were two shops. How many shops were there? Two shops. One was a bookshop and the other was a sweet shop. One shop was a book and other was a sweet shop. Look here, two shops, sweet shop and this bookshop. The shopkeeper of the bookshop was a smiling man. See, he was a smiling man. And look this, his face. He was very angry man, frowning man. His shop has cards, gifts, story books and paint brushes. This bookshop was many things like cards, gifts, storybooks, paint brushes. Many people went to the bookshop. Many people went to the bookshop. The sweet shop had boxes of sweets, many types of cakes, and the jars of lollipops. The shopkeeper of the sweet shop was a frowning man, very angry man. So no one came to his shop. That sweet shop, no one came that shop. There were so many things like cakes, lollipops, toffees, sweets, but no one came there for purchasing anything. Why? Because he was very frowning, very angry man. The frowning man could not understand why no one came to his shop. One day what happened? He was looking out. Two men came on ponies. One day he saw that two men came on that small horses and they went into the bookshop They didn't came into the sweet shop. After some time, some girls also went inside the bookshop. After some time, two girls also went inside the bookshop. The shopkeeper frowned more and more. He became more and more angry. Look at this face. He started very angry that why no one coming in my shop. At that time, two women with babies came into the sweet shop. At that time, look here, two women with one small baby came into this sweet shop. One baby saw that the frown of the man's face and started crying. That frown face, he saw that baby and she started crying. Why she started? See, havoc face is seeing. She started crying. The woman went out without buying anything. That when her baby crying, then she went out without buying anything from that shop. As they opened the door, the shopkeeper saw his face in the mirror of the door. When he opened that door, the shopkeeper saw his face in the mirror. Look here, he was just seeing that how my face is looking very angry, frowning. That's why no one is coming. What a frown, he said. What a frown my face is looking. He looked again and again his face and saw that it was his own face. That no one face is that angry face. That face was the shopkeeper face, the sweet shopkeeper. He was so surprised that he began to laugh. He was so surprised, and afterwards what happened? Always he began to laugh. Look here, he began to laugh. He laughed so loudly he laughed that the babies also began to laugh. After seeing that face, that babies also began to laugh. One woman came back and took a box of lollipops. That woman again came back and took a box of lollipops from that sweet shop. The other boys and girls heard his laugh and came to buy sweets. Men and women also came to buy cakes. From that day, the shopkeeper always smiled and his shop was always full of people. So students, you should always laugh, never be sad. Okay students, I hope you all understood this chapter. I am coming the next part. Bye bye.